Mixed economic system. Mixed economic system is a combination of the public and private sectors in order to develop nations' good economic growth. Countries such as Singapore, United Kingdom and even Malaysia implemented a mixed economic system.
The characteristics of the mixed economic system. Both the government and the private sector to make economic decisions. This collaboration will guarantee the nation's economic growth in a variety of sectors such as manufacturing, goods and services and tourism. The government providing facilities like road and street lighting since the private sector is not providing all these facilities. The government produces merit goods and also try to reduce the demerit goods. Merit goods such as education and health service produced in order to enhance the quality of living for the populace, and demerit goods such as alcohol and tobacco reduced in order to avoid consequences, especially to people's health. The mixed economy system allows the government to impose taxes especially to the higher income groups more than lower income groups based on their own wealth, so it will reduce income inequality between poor and rich. Individuals and businesses are free to make economic decisions, but the government may intervene to enforce laws. The government may also try to minimize social costs by regulating production methods that cause less harm to the environment and by controlling pollution. The government may allow only one company to produce a certain good or service. This can prevent competition among producers, which can lead to the duplication of resources and waste. For example, in Malaysia, Tenaga Nasional Berhad has a monopoly on generating and supplying electricity. The government may regulate or limit the power of monopolies to protect consumers. Monopolists tend to reduce output in order to keep prices high, so the government may need to control them to ensure that consumers are treated fairly. Economic decisions. Decisions on what and how much to produce is determined by the market's demand and supply mechanism. Both private goods and public goods are provided in the country. Society enjoys basic goods at a cheaper price, and a variety of goods and services are provided by the private sector. Producers choose the most efficient and cost-effective method of production that minimizes cost and maximizes profit. The government will enact laws to combat inefficiencies from negative externalities. The supply of products and services is determined by market demand and societal needs. Additionally, it is depending on how income is distributed in society. While the private sector produces goods and services based on the needs of the market and maximizes profit, the public sector produces essential goods and public goods at reasonable costs to fulfill societal objectives. However, the government will step in and regulate the prices of products and services if a requirement arises or the social interest is jeopardized.